Virtual visits, waiting room features in Microsoft Teams. Welcome to M365 Professional. Waiting room features for virtual visits in Microsoft Teams can enhance virtual visits and streamline team collaboration. On the day of a virtual visit appointment, the client receives a reminder and can join right from the phone's browser. Options to make adjustments to the preset camera and audio settings are available before entering the waiting room. When joining, the client is greeted by a welcome message, specifically tailored to the visit. When the provider joins the appointment, the client can be admitted from the waiting room, connecting both parties for their virtual visit. Streamline and enhance client engagement with waiting room features for virtual visits in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.